That'd be great. Trust me. It will be.
Bruh.
Nothing. No ideas. Useless, empty brain.